Hi guys, I'm Pixel Sammy. Well, in today's newest video, it is a very simple and quick video and I'm going to be straight to the point. If you guys ever wondered how to make this kind of transitions, it is pretty simple, pretty easy to use, and it is totally free. Can be used in any software, let it be Final Cut Pro, Premiere Pro, AlterRFS, etc. So download the pack from the link in the description below. It is from Cinepacks. It is amazing. Download it, just drag it on your editing software, let it be Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, etc. As these are not plugins, these are just overlays. You guys don't have to do anything else. Just drag it, reposition it, make sure the transition is in the center between the two clips so that the transition looks very seamless. Other than that, that is pretty much it. This looks like the final result once you guys are done with the proper sound effect, proper effect, etc. This is pretty amazing, right? So if you guys are liking this kind of tips and tricks and videos, then do make sure to subscribe to this channel. So do you guys want to get more tips on how to get freelance gigs, how to earn well, how to invest well, different kinds of growth hacks, productivity hacks, etc.? Well, then I have a second channel for you guys. To make sure to subscribe to this, it is Grow with Pixel Sammy. It is relatively new, so I will need your support. Make sure to check out this channel and subscribe if you like it. Peace.